Hello, I'm Dr. Shaun Jones. I've been a family physician for the past 13 years, and I'm currently the Chief Executive Officer at the SpeakWithDoc Corporation. Today I want to talk to you about the SpeakWithDoc mobile applications, but first, I'd like to share with you the 4 main factors that lead to poor health in the United States. The first factor is the lack of access to preventive healthcare services. Millions of people are uninsured and don't have a primary care physician who can provide them with the necessary preventive care as they move through the different stages of their lives. This is then compounded by the fact that many folks will even have acute illnesses and have to take a decision between paying critical bills or going to see the doctor. Usually they choose to pay the bill because that is considered more urgent. To assist with this problem, the SpeakWithDoc app provides users with location information on federal clinics within their vicinity. Just as critical, however, are those of you who have primary care physicians but are so busy that you tend to forget about going for your regular health checks. The SpeakWithDoc app provides general and personal health reminders that would assist you in keeping these appointments and in caring for yourself. I'm sure you know someone who could either benefit from knowing where a federal clinic is or being reminded that an immunization is due for their child. The second factor that contributes to a poor health is a poor communication between doctors and patients. This is the most critical confounding factor, as poor communications between physicians and their patients can have devastating effects. Unfortunately, I've seen this far too often, and we intend to change this with the SpeakWithDoc app. Many of you sometimes leave your doctor's office without getting a full understanding of what the problem is, and without knowing the real plan of action or your available options or what to expect in moving forward. As a matter of fact, there are so many folks who don't even know what their diagnosis is. The problem this causes is that many patients become uncommitted to their own care because they have nothing to commit to. We're changing this with the SpeakWithDoc app by allowing you to connect directly with your physician. If your physician is not available, then connect with one of our SpeakWithDoc physicians and get a second opinion. Every patient deserves to have a worthwhile discussion with a physician. SpeakWithDoc is providing this service. The third problem we face is non-compliance with medications. This refers to the situation when patients don't follow their doctor's instructions, or more commonly, when they don't take their medications as directed. Not taking medications is one of the major reasons some simple illnesses escalate into complex and life-threatening complications. Over $289 billion is added to the healthcare bill each year because of non-compliance. The more critical issue, however, is that over 125,000 people die each year because of not taking medications as instructed. This is a problem we must all grapple with. You might have a mom or a dad who takes medications regularly. You yourself may take medications regularly. It is important that you adhere to the medication schedule. This is critical in keeping you healthy. The SpeakWithDoc app provides medication reminders. These reminders will alert you when it's time to take your medications and when it's time to get your refills. We're losing our loved ones to poor medication compliance. Let us start focusing on this preventable problem. The fourth and final but major problem that contributes to our poor health as a nation is the lack of care coordination. This is a systemic problem with a lack of coordination between doctors' offices, emergency rooms, and hospitals. This has led to a lot of unnecessary costs, both in the poor delivery of services rendered and the multiple testing that results. Over $210 billion is spent each year due to unnecessary testing. Another $130 billion is spent due to the poor delivery of services. But it's not just about the money. It is the human cost that concerns me. For example, a patient who is overexposed to certain CT scans may develop kidney failure later in life. So not only is too much money spent on the testing, but in the end, the patient endures a very poor quality of life, which undoubtedly will negatively affect their entire family. It means, therefore, that care coordination is essential. Doctors must be able to rapidly communicate with each other regarding patients. Doctors must be able to quickly find colleagues who are better equipped to assist their patients, and they must be able to rapidly refer their patients to these colleagues. This is essential to optimal care. The SpeakWithDoc app offers doctors the ability to do these things from their mobile device. I believe that if doctors are better equipped, their patients will be better served. As a physician, I've seen the problems with our healthcare system. It is in response to this that I developed the SpeakWithDoc application. SpeakWithDoc is a client-centric mobile application designed to provide you with a high-quality, efficient, and personalized level of healthcare. It provides 4 main benefits: improved access to preventive healthcare services and healthcare information, improved communications between you and your healthcare providers, increased medication compliance, and finally, better care coordination among your healthcare providers. My commitment to this project is personal, and I've dedicated the last 3 years solely to its development. Not only have my personal patients benefited, but the benefits will be available to millions of Americans like you and folks from all over the world who either want a more open and personal health service, who are strapped for time, who require quick, personalized answers, or who are uninsured and need to get medical guidance directly from a physician. When I became a physician, I took an oath to serve. This is the greatest service I can give. Join me in support of the SpeakWithDoc project and get this app in the hands of the millions who need it. Download your SpeakWithDoc app from the iTunes Store or from Google Play. Join our affiliate program. Support our Kickstarter project. Join the conversation on Facebook and Twitter and spread the word to family and friends. I'm Dr. Shaun Jones, family physician and Chief Executive Officer of the SpeakWithDoc Corporation. Your healthcare connections delivered. Thank you.